Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in here I have a 2-pack of PVC union ball valve for water system. So we're going to check this out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here I am opening up one side of it. So this one here is a nice big valve here, and you can see as I turn it here, I don't know if you can see me, or here, maybe you can see the screen through it. And then if I turn it this way, you see the little ball goes and closes up the valve. So it's going to make a nice tight connection on there and makes it easy to turn. Very nice, super heavy duty PVC. And then you can put it on, put on your pipes into there and stuff, and then you have the little connector for it here. So you'll have everything you need. You can connect up your pipe into there, and then once you cinch it up, it'll be nice and sealed. So really nice. And what does it say there? It says PVC True Union Ball Valve, and there it is right there with all the information. So cool. And you get a set of 2 of these, and it looks like it's got little screw holes there, so I guess you could kind of screw something into it if you really wanted to, or mount it down. So pretty cool. I like this. So super easy to use, and if you need a valve for some probably high pressure water, this would probably be great for you if you have a water pump system, like a well or something like that, and you need to turn it on and off or whatever it is. You got it. So thumbs up, very nice.